आंटी यूएस जा रही है। लोगों के टाइम की कदर नहीं होती यार लोगों को, यू नो।
नहीं जी,
बाकी लोगों की,
नहीं।
कुछ लोगों की।
वाओ, कुछ तो लोग करेंगे, लोगों का
But
काम
to be
है
vague,
करना।
I'm not to be vague, you know, because people take umbrage at
Umbrage.
umbrage.
Yeah,
People get upset. People have emotions weirdly.
fuck that.
That's, I mean,
You're feeling nothing.
Talk
Even though Rishu's like 20 minutes late.
talk about living in the 20th century.
Yeah,
Emotions.
no.
Oh, you poor
Can't
thing.
do with them.
Oh, you poor thing.
Oh,
Oh, how sweet. You still feel.
तुम्हें mental illness हो रहा है, तुम कितने sad
You know,
हो?
it would be, to me, the movie instead of, have you seen Children of Men?
No, but I am one.
Right.
Yes का बच्चा.
So
We
तो
just
भाई
started.
देखो टाइम दिया था
We-
6:30 का. It's 6:55. So fuck off.
We
नहीं कर सकते.
literally started. हमको पूरा 60
तू
सेकंड
मार
में
चला
नहीं
तो
हुआ.
आप 25 मिनट
हाँ.
लेट है. गांड मरा आपने. हाँ? क्या जाने के लिए किसने बोला है? टाइम पे शुरू करना था. You started it. You're late, man.
We just started.
जब
तू जब
हाँ तो बताओ क्या चल रहा है.
बस तुम्हारी घड़ी नहीं चल रही है ऐसा लग रहा है.
अबे नहीं यार मैं दूर से आता हूँ.
साला घड़ी की जगह नैंडोज का पहन के आया. उल्लू के पट्टे टाइप कैसे दिखेगा?
हाँ ब्रो, दिस इज स्पेशल फॉर मी बिकॉज
He's
ये
made
मेरे
a friend.
दोस्त ने दिया
He's
था
made
मेरे
a
को.
friend at Nando's.
हाँ, I have a friend at Nando's.
Yeah.
I have friends all over town.
All over town, man. Yeah.
All over town.
Nando's is the local White House actually. It's very important.
ब्रो मेरे अब दोस्त ही दोस्त हो गए हर जगह. काफी खुशी की बात है.
लोगों को कब चूना लगाना बंद करेगा?
हैं?
हैं?
False promises, you know.
Yes.
False promises of a stable relationship.
नहीं स्टेबल नहीं.
Some other guy he's introducing them to.
Yeah.
Which one is it? Is it Riff? Is it Roshan? Who the fuck are
Is
they
it? Yeah.
becoming friends with?
Rishabh?
हुसैन.
Hussain.
अच्छा, Hussain.
या हुसैन साहब.
Hussain साहब, तेरे को तेरे दोस्त Hussain साहब बोलता है.
मतलब अब अपना
But are they friends?
हुसैन साहब अब अपने बाप का नाम खराब
Has
करने
he,
निकले.
has he purchased slaves and is he calling them friends? Hussain साहब?
अरे मैं काफी
what's going
वैसे
on?
सिक्योरिटी गार्ड वगैरह से भी दोस्ती कर लेता हूँ.
अच्छा.
बाउंसर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड.
So now you graduated to Nando's.
कभी बोलेगा I don't really have friends and you call someone a friend too quickly, then he's like कि
Yeah.
security guard भी मेरे दोस्त हैं. तो I mean
I don't have friends, bro. I got brothers.
Your parents are a bit busy.
I got homies.
back to ground zero, back to square one. He has no friends. He's
I got
admitted it.
blood.
He's admitted it. He's maybe got some family.
Blood relatives.
At best, he's got some. Yeah.
And इनके families में बहुत होते हैं ना cousins.
Yeah.
Yeah. पूरा मोहल्ला जहाँ दोस्त होने थे वहाँ पे भाई बहन है. तो basically,
हाँ भाई कम करो, बहुत बच्चे करते हैं मुस्लिम लोग.
yeah.
So that's why.
So that's what it is. That's
हाँ
what
भाई
it
तो
is.
क्या Children of Men
Yeah,
मस्त मूवी थी.
we were talking about how, you know, instead of a society where humans lose the ability to reproduce, what if it was people just stop having emotions?
हाँ like you.
Yeah, that's
नहीं,
exactly,
नहीं, no,
that's
thank
where
you.
it got from- that's where it got
Please.
from. It would be so
सब शुक्र जैसे
so
बन
much more
जाएंगे.
efficient.
Emotionless.
Bro, it would be so much more efficient. I mean,
Robot.
humans without being clouded by उसकी जज्बातों को मैंने.
Bro जज्बातों में ही तो मतलब वो होता है like मोटिवेशन मिलता है पता है जज्बातों से. You know what I mean like ऐसे रोबोट की तरह ड्रोन की तरह रोज उठ के
Of
सेम
course, I
चीज
mean,
कैसे
you're
कर
not
सकता है
gonna
कोई.
you're not gonna remove, because man is a social animal. So you're not gonna remove all of it. It's you know like like you have a dial and you just temper it down.
ये बस
You come
Yeah.
to like an optimum.
Yeah,
ये
I
जावेद-
like
Yeah.
be more stoic with shit right.
ये जावेद अख्तर की फैन बेस खत्म करना
Marcus
चाहता है बस ये.
Aurelius हैं?
जावेद अख्तर की फैन बेस
अबे
खत्म
तू
करना
जैसे
चाहता है बस ये.
you know fucking what's it called? Singer songwriter. तू भी तो ऐसे प्यार
मेरे
के
पे
बारे में-
अटैक कर रहा
अबे
है.
भाई
तू-
हाँ।
तू भी तो जज्बातों के बारे में तो
सही बात.
हाँ,
तेरा vested interest है जज्बात रखने में, because तेरा धंधा ही वो है.
हाँ तो मैं तो चाहता ही
Oh,
हूँ.
she left me, you know.
Yeah.
Is that
Bro, but that kind of shit sells, bro. वो मैं अभी सुनते हमारी
of
अधूरी
course,
कहानी
because there's
सुनते
people like you in the world
yes.
who are divanas, है ना? तो of course it
ये
sells.
क्या है?
Of course.
रंग थे
ना
नूर
तो
था.
किसी को आउट किया है, पता नहीं क्या है, ऐसे हाथ उठा रहा है.
अभी छक्के का होता है ये.
तो
Out का ही
ठीक
होता
है. I rest my case.
But that reminds me, Delhi is out of the contention for playoffs now.
Classic
Oh
Delhi.
shit! Fuck.
But it's okay.
So
they,
wait.
they played well though this season.
RCB
Does
ने
that mean
जो
more
goal मार
taxes?
दी.
RCB से हार गए ना, that's why.
Do we get more taxed? Tax more then? Is that what it is?
What?
If Delhi loses, do we get more taxes? What happens?
Nothing happens.
Oh,
We just don't get to see them in the playoffs.
oh, that's sad.
Yeah.
That's pretty sad actually.
Yeah. You don't give a fuck.
No, I'm being.
I don't know how much more clearer he could be.
Incredibly genuine when I say that's pretty fucking sad, bro.
Right.
Yeah, but they played good though.
Well, congrats to them.
Yeah.
They tried hard. They tried their
Nice
best.
prize.
Round
for
of
effort.
applause for Delhi Daredevils.
Yeah.
Bro, actually Delhi Daredevils is such a sick name, bro.
What's
Double
it-
D.
What's it called now?
DC.
Delhi Capitals. What the fuck is Delhi
Just to
Capitals?
underscore the fact that Delhi is the capital, in case you didn't know.
Yeah, but it's such a shit name, bro.
It
Why would you
is
go for something that's alliterative and also fun, dangerous, to
capital?
redundancy, in fact?
Yeah.
New owner.
New owner, right on.
I don't know who it is, but
Again, it's like Mumbai Indians, just to tell you they're in India.
bro, मुंबई
then
इंडियंस की क्या
Indians.
गांड मारी थी उस दिन, याद है जब यहाँ देखा था मैंने मैच,
Mumbai
अच्छा,
Indians qualify
जिस दिन
हो
तुम
गई.
कोक स्टूडियो के गाने बजा रहे थे.
Right on.
Mumbai Indians qualify हो गई.
नहीं ब्रो, मुंबई इंडियंस तो बॉटम ऑफ द टेबल ब्रो.
हो गई.
रद्दी भाई, हार्दिक पांड्या को इतनी गाड़ियां क्यों पड़ रही है?
मुझे क्या पता?
He's captain.
Maybe I thought his personality
Because of
warrants
person-
enough.
yeah, exactly.
Not
Because of his style and his obnoxious in your
Yeah.
face.
dude, what do you mean,
Just
man?
who he is as a person.
You know the Tapori look.
Icon है बंदा, icon.
Right.
Yeah.
Right on.
Great.
ये बालियां उसी से इंस्पायर्ड थी.
बाली तो पहली बात है भी नहीं है.
बाली क्या होता है? यही
बाली-
तो.
जब ring होता है
Ring
वो.
होता है.
ओ स्टड है फिर ये.
Start, yeah.
जब मेरी तरह.
Yep.
तू मेल घोड़ा है.
Absolutely.
Good one.
Absolutely. This buck has been broken, bro.
No,
yeah.
but that's weird to say.
His buck.
Nobody broke my back.
This
No.
buck's been broken in.
No, my back is perfectly.
This
Your
in
buck
shape.
is not your
he's,
back.
He's buck wild.
Buck wild.
Nobody broke my back, bro.
Keep saying back, bro.
और बताओ क्या चल रहा है आजकल दुनिया
Nobody
में?
broke it back this week, is what it is. Yeah.
केजरी को निकाल दिया.
Because it's just 2-3 days. And yeah, it's a Wednesday. Yes. Kejri is out. We discussed this on the last pod.
अच्छा, you discussed it.
But we don't really care really because it doesn't impact. I mean, you're voting for AAP, I think, something like that, right?
Yeah, in Delhi. So what are you voting
Delhi
for?
में लोग, I don't know.
Delhi when I'm doing center में Modi and then Delhi में आप
Nice.
केजरी.
Nice.
But
चुनाव हाथ बदलेंगे हालात.
hmm.
हाथ बदलेगा हालात. That's the new slogan. Have you seen?
Yeah.
So,
बोर्ड पे थप्पड़ मारो तो
हाथ
ठीक.
बदलेगा. हाथ बदलेगा. हाथ.
Yeah.
Hath. Very sensual. It's appealing to the young demographic. So this is what you get with a young leader like Rahul Gandhi.
Yes.
He's very young.
Yeah.
He's
Only
a,
50 like two.
He's a youth icon.
Yeah.
How old is he?
Like
52 or
50,
some
man.
shit.
Bro, he looks so good.
Yeah, but sure, calling him a young leader, in the sense that he's new to leadership, it's young. It's his first couple of years. That might be the case.
Yeah. But
Well,
मतलब
to be
politics
fair,
में
he
तो
hasn't
that's
really
young only.
He hasn't really had much leadership.
That was the point.
So, yeah.
But that's young only
He's explaining my jokes now.
Oh, yeah.
This guy.
I thought you were making the other joke.
मैं तो सुनता भी नहीं हूँ ये क्या बोलता है. I just glaze over whatever the fuck he
सुनाई
says.
देता
बकवास
भी नहीं,
करता रहता है.
mostly सुनाई देता
तू
भी
बड़ी वैल्यूबल बातें कर रहा है. हार्दिक पांड्या यूथ आइकॉन है. चश्मे पहन के जी स्टाइल मारा जा रहा है. मैं बालियां पहन रहा हूँ. बाली का डेफिनेशन नहीं पता.
ठीक है
उल्लू का पट्टा.
ब्रो, एक तो मेरी उंगली में चोट लग गई है देख.
नहीं. Oh shit.
कट गई ऑलमोस्ट भाई उंगली मेरी. या बट आई एम फाइन. थैंक्स फॉर आस्किंग.
हाँ. अरे तेरे
Damn,
को
man. I'll send you flowers, bro.
तेरे को कटे हुए चीजों से क्या प्रॉब्लम?
True. It was fine. That was a wild night.
I'll send you flowers.
Your
Whoa, this is wild.
your circumcision.
Bro, he's fishing for us to ask, inquire.
Yes, probably.
कहानी सुना ना.
I'm not asking about the night of his circumcision. Thank you.
Yeah.
अच्छा ठीक है, नहीं सुनना तो मत सुनो भाई.
I'm not.
कुछ नहीं हुआ वीकेंड पे, कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. ऐसी
Not that into it.
और करती करके आ गया.
लूजर सा तो है ही तू.
Not
Oh,
that.
shut up. Anyway.
इसकी गान फाड़ू.
फाड़ दे.
इस ऑफिस में हमने आज 3 चूहे पकड़े हैं, एक बाहर भगाया है और अभी 3 और घूम रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
Bro, but do you know इस यहाँ पे वो तूने ट्रीटमेंट कराया चूहों का?
Yes, exterminator.
So then I'll tell you what happened.
नहीं, एक्चुअली टर्माइट ट्रीटमेंट कराई है. एक्सटर्मिनेटर ने शायद नहीं करा अभी rodents
तो
वगैरह.
मैं तेरे को बताता
But there is one we know what it is.
Dude, I am a pro. Like,
First,
listen,
you don't even
I'm
know
an
what the
expert.
fuck. Have you scanned the floor? Do you
I'm
know
an
where the
expert.
points
Listen.
of ingress might be?
नहीं,
We discovered
that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter.
I know what his
Because
theory
there
is,
are
by the
two
way.
species.
of rat.
There is one is called a chuha
अच्छा.
and the other is called a chachundar.
These are their proper chूहस, rat and
This is
chuchundar.
the Latin scientific
yeah.
name.
Who cares? मैं देसी आदमी हूँ. तुम लैटिन में पैदा हुए थे
So,
होगे लैटिना में.
Just I think because why you would go to this year out is to make it contextually more appropriate. But I have no clue.
Let me finish my point. तुम बकवास करने लगते हो अपनी किसी को बात मतलब कोई वैल्यू का होता नहीं.
भाई यहाँ पे लोग ज्ञान के लिए नहीं आते.
Shut up.
Reason के लिए नहीं.
So the reason is because हमारे घर में भी.
छछूंदर कैसा नाम है यार?
Shut up. They treated for rats at my house.
Oh, something like chichora, but the rat version.
So chachundar is a different species. So the treatment for rats doesn't actually work on chachundars. So that's why even if because this building is I would assume would be treated, So तो वो छछूंदर है उनको पकड़ने का एक ही तरीका होता है वो चिप वाला वो होता है ना चिप वाला ट्रैप स्टिकी ट्रैप.
Why they won't go to food like a regular mouse trap?
Huh?
They would go to food also, no? In a regular mouse trap.
Yeah, but they're a little smarter than chuhas.
UN.
So then I would imagine because I don't know. Well,
so if there are more, so then put some sticky traps around that will help catch the chachundar. And once you catch it, now you'll be able to tell ki this is not a chuha. Like they look different. But when you just see them scurrying around side में तो पता नहीं चलता.
If you were on Instagram,
I'm an expert.
You'd have seen a video.
Oh shit.
You got a video of the rat.
Of the chachundar, not the rat, bro.
Shut up, bro.
Man.
अपना phone call airdrop.
Oh, bro, can we touch tips?
No.
Okay.
You dude wants to share a contact. What the fuck? You know what? This guy is so retarded. Acha, so he didn't know about this feature. So that day, Vidur and I introduced him to this, where you can just touch your phone and share air share contacts or whatever the fuck.
Bro, that's a chuha.
Firstly, he's like, what the fuck? That's weird. Touching tips. He incredibly homophobic response to people touching phones. And then over the weekend, so he has a good weekend. I remember talking on Monday, catching up. He's like, bro, तुम लोगों ने मेरे को वो touch tips वाली बताई थी ना? वो मैंने बहुत लोगों के साथ I've been touching tips all weekend with randos. And I'm like, what the fuck are you saying? He's like, you need to touch your phones. So firstly, he's made it more sexual. Then he was doing it with multiple
now he's
people.
owning it.
And he's, yeah.
No, about
I
time.
literally go up to people like, do you want to touch tips?
You wanna touch
Do you want to touch tips, bro?
Like this between your legs.
He flips 180. He flips 180.
This is that NFC shit.
At first, he's like, wow. Sorry, you were saying something.
No, I'm just asking, this is that NFC shit. What is this?
Yeah, it's
Yeah. So basically, when two iPhones, if you touch them here, na, upar se, you can share contacts.
Even if you bring them close, you don't have to really touch it. If you bring them close, then that's enough.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, your Moto G40 Fusion Plus
Hey,
Might be
you
missing
remember
a-
the whole model name?
might be missing a couple of features. Yeah.
नहीं इसमें है सब कुछ.
Acha.
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें.
Shut up.
I'm also coming from an Android, and I've got to say, I was a die-hard Android guy. I've got to say, iPhone's just better.
Just better, dude.
It just, Android has all the same features, but they just work on Apple every time without fail. All those features that Android also has, sometimes Android you have to go through fucking 4 menus, some kabhi kaar chal nahi raha, ye nahi. Apple it just works. Which is why I'm all for it.
Good.
Hells
Touch
yeah.
tips, touch tips.
Welcome to the dark side. Fuck yes.
Yeah.
We like you here, Rishu.
और क्या चल रहा है?
This is my Tim Cook. We like
KD
you
Drake,
here. We like
the
you here.
craziest fucking most played song ever or something.
What song?
The Not Like Us.
I haven't heard
Kendrick.
Abey, what do you mean you haven't heard it? You must have.
it.
The new Kendrick disc, the latest one.
Yeah, man, I got
It's
bored
not the
after,
latest.
after the first or second. Na, man, I got just
Not
The
Like
best
Us.
one was the third one.
Not Like Us, not the
no,
latest.
but I just couldn't give a fuck.
उसके बाद एक.
Acha, whatever. But Not Like Us is the most played in a week or something like that. Biggest rise,
What if it's two blacks fighting? What's the name?
largest. Who black?
Two
Drake
black-
is not black. We don't claim him.
We don't claim.
We. Firstly, we. Secondly, I'm pretty sure he's half black. Right?
Yeah, he is. He is half black.
Okay, so more than you then.
Yeah.
Right on. But anyway,
But,
two blacks fighting. What's new?
Yeah, but it's actually pretty sick.
It's sick. The fight is sick.
I mean, the songs that are coming out of it are pretty dope. I
Acha,
think.
okay. ठीक है.
Not Like Us is
Whatever,
actually
yeah, exactly.
insane.
Sometimes
And Drake's like
They're all right.
the
but-
thought
somebody
is for art
shot-
happens.
somebody
They're-
shot Drake's security guard also.
Yeah, but the songs are all right. They're just a moment, and because of the subject matter, it's
Yeah.
challenging now. Musically, these are not the type of songs that are going to endure for, oh wow, what a great song.
Dude, they will endure. Trust me, they will endure. You don't realize how.
Musically, or would you say lyrically? Because the music.
That's what I'm
arguably-
saying. Musically, nothing stands out. They're just basic
No,
beats
music.
on which.
Oh.
So
But musically,
it's
it's not.
all-
It's lyrically is the more important criteria of hip
Yeah,
hop.
and Well, a couple of the Kendrick songs maybe.
Dude, they will endure. Literally everything that Kendrick puts out endures. Like people still listen to Section 80.
No,
Like-
true. His body's a work, whatever. But yeah, I'm just saying these songs.
And it's a hit. It's one of the biggest hits of the year. So how are you saying all this shit?
I'm saying कि वही more of a point musically कि as a lyrically ठीक है.
Yeah, see, I don't know.
It's not even
technically
like
if
it's not even
impressive
so
or not.
like I would say somebody like Kendrick has so much more music that is musically so much better and lyrically so much better. So it doesn't because it's not very high up in his body of work for me. Despite the numbers.
But he
it
called
may have
Drake a
done.
pedo.
Exactly.
What,
Yeah,
is,
but
his-
like-
what is that lyric? He's like, you only play in A minor or something like that.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
That's pretty funny. Yeah, wasn't Drake fucking Millie Bobby Brown during the Stranger Things days also? Or they were exchanging texts or something like that. That's fine, whatever. It's not, I mean, whatever, man. You know,
Dude, they're all fucked.
yeah,
in the
rock
head.
stars have done this for time, eternity, as long as it's between, I don't know, two consenting adults and whatever the fuck. Who cares about
Yeah, two consenting adults is fine.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
So is the claim that it's like that they're underage?
There is no claim.
That's
It's
right,
just he's just dissing him on like
Whatever.
rumors,
Yeah,
basically.
yeah.
But yeah, it's cool though.
It's Drake's maps. Drake is maps, huh? You know, MAP. Minor attracted persons movement
So what?
in leftist intellectual discourse.
We call them pedophiles.
Yes, they're called minor attracted persons.
हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? लीचड़. What do you call?
That's the technical term.
लड़काबाज, बच्चाबाज, बच्चेबाज.
बच्चेबाज. Yeah,
बच्चेबाज.
maybe.
Writer of Balika Vadhu. Huh?
Yeah. So yeah. Lots of fights happening. Even Mike Tyson is going to fight Jake Paul.
Yeah,
I hope he
think
beats his shit.
Jake Paul's gonna beat him up, dude.
I know.
Are you mad?
Yeah, dude.
Mike Tyson is old,
85
man.
years old.
Bro, but he's Mike Tyson.
Dude,
Yeah.
he's
He will
old.
kill Jake.
No,
He will
that's
kill him.
not- I mean, I really think younger, faster.
No. He's
Whiter.
younger. He might not.
Whiter.
He's probably.
Whiter,
He's not
whiter.
faster.
Younger,
He's not.
faster, whiter.
He's not faster, and he might have more stamina.
Better,
That is it.
Better socials.
What?
Jake Paul has better socials.
What do you
For
mean?
sure. His
Socials?
Instagram,
His
his
Instagram is
YouTube.
popping,
Come on,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, better socials.
Mike Tyson ain't shit.
Mike Tyson is done.
Right. You guys are whack.
He's
as
got
fuck.
like
Tyson is
one or
done.
2 year stories. Like what?
Yeah, Mike Tyson's got a half a podcast left.
He book
Yeah.
खत्म बंद कर दिया उसने.
That's
He
exactly
stopped.
what I'm saying. Why would he end it? Because it didn't work.
He ended it for training, I think. And
Anyway,
also he
I
just
thi-
got sick of it.
I think Grandpa's gonna get beaten up, or at least technically, though, even if it doesn't get beaten up, Jake Paul I think should on stamina be able to
Yes.
outwin him strategy wise, even if it's like a
Yeah,
smart play.
Mike Tyson might get tired.
Exactly.
But
yeah.
that's the only thing Jake has
So Jake
in
can
his
do smart-
advantage.
Jake's- yeah, they.
Because Tyson is still faster than him.
But he's a smart guy,
And Tyson's probably stronger. But Tyson has like fucking like
bro. He's
30 years of
old,
experience,
He's
bro.
heavier. I mean, he'll take. He'll be slow quick.
yeah. But
Yeah.
I think he'll win. I'm always rooting for him. But
Mike.
then I also always rooted for Charles Oliveira and he keeps losing.
Hmm.
Yeah.
तू ही मनहूस है.
So I think you should root for Jake Paul then, and maybe Mike would win.
Yeah, the Drake curse. You know about this?
Drake curse.
So in UFC, there's this thing called a Drake curse.
Why is
because
Drake in fucking everything? Can't I
so
have?
listen though.
It's either him or
There's
Taylor
no part
Swift,
of fucking
man.
pop culture that you can have that fucking
It's him or Taylor Swift.
irritating
Take your pick.
Canadian
Yeah.
bitch. Anyway,
So he whatever fighter he bets on
yeah,
tends to lose. And he
Good.
bets like $250,000 every time.
that
on some
alone
random-
I think could be the topic of a diss track.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. I was just joking. I was talking about
भाई अब Kendrick सुन लेगा एक और निकालेगा यार फिर से.
Kendrick भाई सुनो Kendrick चचा.
Bro, Kendrick ने गाड़ दिया उसको. There's nothing left. कोई beef बची नहीं थी. He ended the beef. The beef
Apparently-
is
इन लोगों
finished.
के दिमाग में there was a competition ना between these two. उनके ऊपर दया आती है कि are you nuts?
मतलब you think it was all staged?
No. I'm saying people who are putting Kendrick and Drake in the same breath, those are the idiots to begin with. Like you know, yeah.
Yes, I totally agree.
Yeah, I mean,
They're not on the same
it's a
level at all.
foregone conclusion, dude. Yeah, I mean, sure, Drake is very successful. He's very commercial. He's very, I mean, I don't know. I think
Yeah, but he's not very liked.
Accessible, I guess.
he's not very.
He's not very liked. Kendrick is like revered, like a fucking
Yeah.
deity.
Right.
Yeah.
They were never in the same league.
Yeah.
Yeah, not even close. Which is why Kendrick was like, "Why the fuck is this guy doing
It's
this?"
like MGK Eminem.
Yeah.
You know,
that
like
is also-
MGK thought he'd take on Eminem. And then
Yeah, American kill shot.
Guard दिया उसको.
Yeah, he also buried him.
That was
But-
more of a burial than
No,
what
but
even
MGK
Kendrick has
did
done
that
to Jay.
literally. MGK did that for clout, so that Eminem would respond and give him clout.
Sure, but I'm just saying that what Eminem did was also a far harder burial than even what Kendrick has done. Because Eminem burying somebody is...
Yeah, Eminem's the goat. Bro.
Kendrick has like, you know, people are like, oh, they talk about this
How
A
the hell
minor,
you want to?
A minor bar or this, that, like these 2-3 standout bars, the in kill shot or whatever, every second bar is destruction.
Dude, I find it so weird that you are downplaying Kendrick.
No, Kendrick is my favorite rap
You were
artist.
downplaying him pehle also ki, oh, this is lyrically not.
I think it's a
Fuck you.
I think it's a disservice to Kendrick.
You are
to
useless.
regard this so highly given what Kendrick has done.
Just leave this line of argument because this is so wrong.
I can't argue with black people, I guess.
Yeah, it's two blacks fighting. I don't give a fuck.
It's blasphemy.
It's just two.
Two blacks. This guy's just stuck on that only.
I don't give a fuck.
Blacks fighting. Who cares?
Who cares, bro? It's bullshit.
I'm only brown.
Yeah,
I'm not black.
bro. Fuck that shit.
It is kind of bullshit.
Dude,
हाँ.
you're the same.
मुझे ये बताओ कि अजय देवगन ने कौन सी नई एक्ट्रेस को छेड़ा है लेटेस्ट ये बताओ मेरे को दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर मी
What?
allegedly
What?
I don't know yeah
I don't know this
कुछ
story.
आया सुनने में?
नहीं नहीं
Oh,
अच्छा अच्छा.
He just-
हम ऐसे ही बंदे का नाम करा
Bro, फालतू में पिटेंगे. देवगन
मैं
साहब.
का वजह से पिटेंगे तो ठीक है.
मेरे को नहीं पिटना भाई.
सॉरी तू
उनकी भी मूछें हैं मेरी तरह.
तेरी तरह नहीं, तेरे से बहुत अच्छी है उनकी मूछें.
यार मेरी उगती नहीं है ना फुल मूछें. मेरी पैची उगती है तो मैं
Unlike his.
काट के रखता हूँ छोटी थोड़ी.
it's like
But-
somewhere between a pencil and a
अब तो सही लग रही है वैसे
Toothbrush.
मूछें, हैं?
right
Yeah, it's more than a pencil.
it's a little bit more
Less
than a
than a
pencil but it's
toothbrush.
not really anything much than that also
Because I can't. They won't get bushy.
it's pencil XL you know just like a little bit yeah
अबे बुशी से याद आया वो फिल्म थी ना Civil War.
correct
That ended up earning a lot of money.
I can imagine it was pretty
100
cheap
mil.
to-
Yeah, but 824, 100 mil is a big deal for them.
yeah
So yeah, good for them.
makes sense it's topical I mean and you know
Yeah, it topical because of politics in America.
topical because it's become so polarized in America
Yeah.
politics yeah.
Yeah. I mean, our politics are also quite fucked. I mean, I don't know.
But
I mean,
there's
I'm
more in betweeners here.
Huh?
I think so
Yeah,
but I'm
I mean,
not sure I mean,
dude, think about this. Like, as somebody who
I'll
wants
tell you
to-
what it is. For example, पता नहीं यार, in the US it's very explicit your political leanings. Here people are still very private about it. So it
No,
doesn't-
as the opposite. In America, people don't like talking about who they're going to vote for. They never do.
Okay.
यहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे slogans बन जाते हैं ना कि केंद्र में मोदी, दिल्ली में केजरी, like stuff like that.
नहीं slogans में जाते हैं, but मैं कह रहा हूँ कि does it affect your day-to-day dealings? नहीं ना.
No, but I don't want to vote for Kejri if
Yeah,
he
I'll give you
took
another
100
example.
crores or ये whatever
I'll give
घूस
you another
whatever.
example. For example, in India, we don't have corporate policies where someone who's got explicitly right-wing ideologies gets terminated from their position, like Meta did with Palmer Luckey, the guy who made Oculus.
Right.
So
right,
that
right,
kind of
right,
thing
right.
where it's
But
you know,
यार
at the
यहाँ
level
पे
where yeah,
यहाँ पे
उस
if you're
type का- हाँ,
listen, if you're in the opposition over here, even in this country, you will constantly get raided.
यार वो अलग बात है, वो within politicians है. मैं कह
He's
रहा हूँ
talking
people who are
about
not
Even
Yes.
business people get like not fucked, but like
नहीं.
they are troubled.
it's not there at the corporate level
यार
yet.
तू एक बात बता मेरे को, अगर if you are a some guy और तूने डोनेशन डाला आपको, ठीक है, और आप लिस्ट एवरीवन हु डोनेट्स टू देम, ठीक है, अब उनकी वेबसाइट पे तेरा नाम आ गया कि तू यू डोनेटेड इतना करोड़ टू आप, तेरे को लग रहा है तेरे घर पे रेड नहीं पड़ेगी, देन यू आर आउट ऑफ योर माइंड, यू आर बीइंग एक्सट्रीमली नाइव.
अरे मैं कुछ
तो
और
वो तो
बात कर
बात ही
रहा हूँ
नहीं
यार,
है.
मैं बात ही नहीं
बात
कर रहा हूँ उसकी.
he's
मैं
talking
कह रहा हूँ
about
कि it's
general
affected
people.
regular relationships. Now outside of the realm of politics, outside the realm of me donating to political party, this Palmer Luckey guy, he got because he voiced support for Trump during the 2016 campaign, whatever
ठीक
the
है.
fuck, he was fired from Meta. So
हाँ.
that's an internal policy, bro. That's corporation. No
Right.
ties with politics. मैं उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ. उस level पे
Yeah.
नहीं आया इंडिया में. Where you know someone has
Yeah, you might not get fired, but I mean they'll be on your ass even in this country, like
anyway.
for affiliating
Anyway, whatever,
yourself
boring,
with
snooze
app.
fest. Anyway, yeah, snooze fest.
Yeah, but I mean I'm just saying it's
The
quite
polarization,
fucked out.
polarization there is higher than it is here. Relatively.
But it's not great here. It's pretty bad out
He
here.
means it's more all permeating.
yeah.
Yeah, वहाँ पे
Through another your
it-
work
I
sphere
mean-
also.
At least it's visible more.
Sure.
Let's call it that.
yeah,
Let's call it that.
yeah.
I don't know. Well, whatever. Yeah.
Like I wouldn't affiliate myself with any political party other than BJP. So give me some other topic to talk about if you guys are so bored. तुम्हारे दिमाग तो चलते नहीं है नल्ले बहन के लोड़े.
Welcome back. It's the Propaganda Podcast.
चलते रहो बस.
Coming to you live.
From
It's Hussein, Giraffe.
Anyway,
Giraffe,
don't be jealous,
giraffe,
but
giraffe.
don't be jealous. But I've made some Muslim friends. Just saying, guys. Just saying.
Bro,
Okay.
by which he means he hung out with them one night this past weekend.
No. We're going to go play golf.
But so far, just the one night.
Just one night.
Oh, like Sunday.
But 2 Muslims in one night.
Oh.
Hey.
There's the tagline: 2 Muslims in one night.
But like, yeah. So often he will refuse to call someone he's met many times a friend. Now this fucker
Muslims
has
once.
met Muslims once, one night. They're friends.
यही तो इंडिया में discrimination की problem है.
Despo much.
This is no.
Desperado. I can smell you coming.
कहते हैं
out.
ना.
You needy fuck. They can smell it on you, by the way.
No.
They smell it.
यही तो
No,
है.
bro.
यही तो है.
They don't see the real me at all.
यही तो है इंडिया में religious divide.
Thanks for putting that out on a public platform
where they can't find you.
where they are certainly not mutual friends. They aren't. We know that. We know that for a fact. We know
No,
that.
but it was so funny. We went bowling, okay?
Uh-huh.
And-
अच्छा, wait a second.
Because-
Not this.
Yeah.
ये भी तो होती है.
ये वाली, that's why I did the gesture.
Underarm.
Because bowling could be either.
Yeah, because you won't call it cricket. You just call it bowling. I went bowling.
I'm a fast bowler.
You're a fast few
Those
things.
two are nothing. There's not, dude. They can exist separate from each
But
other.
if I
You can
just
be a
say-
fast bowler.
If I
But you
just
can
say
also-
bowling and together, they could assume ki like I'm playing in the nets or something like.
Uh-huh.
But no, I
Very
was
sweet.
bowling in a lane.
Right on.
So women's cricket.
Underarm. तो basically first वो आया, second मैं आया, तो हम 2 मुस्लिम स्टॉप पे थे. एंड यूजली मैं अकेले होता हूँ, सो मैं ज्यादा मतलब हिंदुओं का मजाक लाइक यू नो बैंटर नहीं करता.
कांग्रेस की बॉलिंग लेना है.
तो मैं हिंदुओं के साथ ज्यादा बैंटर नहीं करता.
Okay.
ठीक है. एंड बिकॉज वो मेरे साथ था, तो हम दोनों ने हाँ भाई हिंदुओं की तो गांड मार दी. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है मेरे को.
ये साले पाकिस्तान चले जाओ चलो.
इंडिया का ही हूँ मैं. इनफैक्ट तुमसे ज्यादा इंडियन हूँ मैं.
वो कहते हैं ना मुसलमान अकेला ठीक है, जब वो झुंड में बन जाते हैं then they become problematic. So this is
यही देखो
born out. It's the macrocosm.
how intolerant.
It's the microcosm that represents
So
the
intolerant.
macrocosm.
हिंदुओं से नहीं बात करनी है. इंडिया में रिलीजियस
no.
डिवाइड कर रहे हो
अबे
तुम.
एक बार मिला है बॉलिंग alley में, सोच कहीं मजहब में
मस्जिद में मिल गए.
मस्जिद में मिल
ये तो बम से मार देगा. बात ही खत्म.
खत्म. गजवा हिंदू जाएगा ब्रो.
थोड़ी सपोर्ट चाहिए होती ना.
Shut up.
Yeah man.
So this is
एक तो लेट आता है.
सॉरी यार.
Take it easy. It's just because my mother.
मेरी उंगली में चोट लगी हुई है.
Oh, poor thing.
मैं थका हुआ था.
Oh,
बॉलिंग
little
करते
baby
हुए.
boy.
बॉलिंग करते
Did you go
हुए.
to the nurse? Did she give you candy?
I went to play golf
she-
with this bro. ऐसे I'm not like a pussy about it. I played golf with this.
Damn man.
You big strong man.
Yeah.
Shut up guys. तुम्हें मैं कुछ बताता ही
You're
क्यों
so
है, चल.
brave.
Oh,
You are so brave.
I'm
so
just-
proud of you,
We're
honey.
so proud.
Okay,
of you.
hold on. Fine, bro.
You're doing great, sweetie.
It was hurting in golf, bro.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, honey.
Shut up.
Damn.
अच्छा, कॉर्नर में ग्रेगर की फाइट होने वाली है, देखोगे?
Condom में क्या?
कॉर्नर में ग्रेगर इज बैक, ब्रो.
कॉर्नर में क्रैकर.
Corner में?
कॉर्नर में क्रैकर.
Corner में cracker.
कॉर्नर में क्रैकर.
चूहे तभी तो चूहे आ रहे हैं.
चूहे कॉर्नर में क्रैकर कॉर्नर में मारा चोट.
corner के क्या है?
7-8 चूहे घूम रहे हैं चोट.
Basic fucking etiquette, guys. Put it in the recycling bin.
कॉर्नर में क्रैकर.
But by the way, what you showed me was definitely a chूहा.
Right.
Yeah, that was not a chuchundar.
Okay, so our
So
traps will
तेरी एक्सपर्टीज गई तेल लेने.
Yes.
मैं इतना बता रहा हूँ, मैं एक्सपर्ट हूँ.
पक्का शुद्ध होंगे bro, because तुम नॉर्मल ट्रैप लगा रहे हो.
को पता नहीं है.
पूरी कहानी सुनने से पहले इसको अपनी देनी होती है ना कि I'll tell you what. I have it in my mind. Let me get to you.
फिर गाइस में गलत था.
वो थोड़ा ना एडमिट
वो
करेगा.
when you ask him,
Yeah.
ये नहीं कि अच्छा वो ऐसे था.
Yeah.
गलत नहीं, मैं सही था, बट इस मामले में
इस
it was
मामले में
not.
relevant नहीं थी वो
हाँ,
information.
relevant नहीं था.
Exactly, yeah.
बट मैं सही तो, मैं गलत नहीं था.
हाँ, correct. चलो ठीक है. Good man.
Yeah.
And what's new? How's business?
जीन्स फट गई मेरी.
फट गई कि तूने खरीदी फटी हुई?
फटी हुई करी.
Okay, right. Sorry, yeah, फट गई jeans. I told you to stop sucking that guy off or use the rug. Just use the rug.
I'm always on my knees, bro. What to do?
Bro, so needy though. हमने इसके फटे हुए jeans से comment नहीं मारा था, उसने खुद ही मार दिया.
अबे हाँ यार मैं वेट कर रहा था. You guys know me too well, bro. We need new people on the pod जो मेरे को जानते नहीं है.
Yeah, Mrinal was saying he sells some gets. Oh, Adidev.
बुला ले bro.
Exactly.
सांड को.
Sekri.
Sekri.
Wow.
Big ass fucking giant.
Yeah. Yeah. He's always a fun time.
He's
He's always a good time.
He's at UCLA.
Is he? Yes, he's finally graduating, I believe. It's the third attempt.
Yeah.
He's doing it.
Well, good for him.
Crazy.
Yes, congratulations. Yes.
Yeah.
Us when.
सुन लो देखो
What
10 साल बाद भी लोग ग्रेजुएट कर लेते हैं.
पुरख्वा. क्यों करूं मैं? क्या कर लूंगा मैं?
मेरी
degree
माँ
का?
प्रेशर डाल रही है.
तो तू तो कर ले. मेरी पहले
मुझे नहीं
डाल।
करना मैं.
हाँ.
हट यार पढ़ाई चढ़ाई.
हम भाड़ में गई पढ़ाई ब्रो.
पढ़ाई की बात ही नहीं है, डिग्री की बात है. अगर वो डिग्री
हाँ.
की बात है तो डिग्री से तो कौन सी नौकरी भाई? Fuck. I mean, which record label is going to ask for a buddy? You got a degree.
Also, like if I
In by the way, not music.
yeah, if I ever have to rely on like a BCom degree or something, then I might as well fucking take the jump, bro. Then my life is done. If I have to go there, it's like what the fuck have I been doing
Yeah.
this whole time? That's not the play ever.
Uh-huh.
So
Fuck that.
I mean it's you can use it if it ever comes to that, but yeah, you shouldn't have to. I feel like you got it. You got the talent to do it.
वो सब नहीं होता.
But I think your mom doesn't have faith in you.
हाँ,
making
which
it.
is fair by the way. मैंने इतने साल उनको जो दिखाया
Which is
है ना, वो उनका
उनको तसल्ली देने के लिए कर ले.
He's got to prove. He's got a track record of not living up to
yeah
her expectations.
totes.
मेरा भी डिग्री का कोई मतलब ज्यादा फायदा तो हुआ नहीं. Like nobody really asks you.
मैं तो
about-
impressed हूँ तूने खत्म किया है.
But you don't do really like an important job or anything, right?
Yeah, the degree doesn't like people have fucking done English and are doing similar jobs as mine. You know.
That was
so-
kidding. That was a joke. Yeah.
So
but
my
yeah.
What was
degree
your
doesn't
degree?
matter.
No, but for you it certainly mattered
BFA.
to be able to get a job under
Fine art,
OPT.
BFA.
If you didn't have the degree, you would not have OPT. You could have got the job in the US.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Optional pussy tasting. Is that what it is?
But
That's what the OPT is, right?
मैं तो कभी अपने किसी बच्चे को विदेश नहीं भेजूंगा.
It's
पढ़ाई के
it's
लिए.
an optional
अगर वो जाना
pussy
चाहता हो
tasting.
तो
कभी नहीं भेजूंगा ही नहीं. ये वो तो इंडिया में ही पढ़ेगा मेरा बच्चा.
क्यों?
Because विदेश में bro एक तो after you graduate they exploit you with your visa, and it's anyway hard to get a sponsorship and all this shit, and the college fees themselves are so fucking expensive. And then यहाँ पे बाइडेन सबके पैसे वापस कर रहा था बहनचोद कॉलेज के ट्यूशन पैसे वापस कर रहा था. मैंने एक फूटी गौड़ी नहीं मिली मेरे को.
But वो भी that was only like a select
कोविड का वो आया था मेरे को बट कोविड का चेक.
unemployment.
नहीं कोविड का चेक आया था एक.
अच्छा, okay.
हाँ
For getting COVID.
फॉर
Do you get per COVID?
फॉर पीपल जब जॉब्स फक अप हो गए थे ना कोविड.
What if they were awarding you for per COVID infection, and then we would just like there'd be do you know what bug chasers? Bug chasers.
Basically people-
Gay men in the 80s who used to go out looking for AIDS.
Looking for it.
They wanted AIDS. They
Why?
bug chasers. I don't
Why?
know, man. It's a fucking king. Whatever.
That's not a kink.
Whatever the fuck it was for them. They were out there.
They must have a reason though. Like
Arey, yeah. Anyway, like bug chasers. What if they were? What the fuck were we talking about earlier?
COVID checks.
COVID. For COVID checks, and then you spot the system. Anyway, yeah.
I mean, I though never really got COVID.
So what was the check? $1,200, $600? What?
No, it was close to $1,000.
Okay. Right? हाँ, क्योंकि 1200 क्वेश्चन चेक
So literally in between 1200 600 bucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was the check. It was nice though.
Yeah.
I blew it all with Hector, friend of mine.
On Hector, you mean to say?
With Hector.
He gave you a
No,
good time?
he spent it all while he blew Hector.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, that's pretty. Yeah, I mean, because he used to call me Papi.
right.
और ये पापी ऐसे कहता था मेरे को.
हाँ जो लंड को दे
He
पप्पी
used to
वो
call you
तुम्हारा
papi.
पापी.
He used to call you papi. He used to give
Dude,
you
we were
papi.
both. It was so funny. We were both brown guys, okay, and we used to be so racist to each
Yeah.
other. Like he
Yeah.
used to be racist towards Indians. I used to be racist towards Mexican people. It was the coolest
In
fucking
bed?
relationship
Hey, you fucking
ever.
spick.
You mean
Yeah,
like-
take it, you fucking spick.
तू साले राजमा चोद तू साले राजमा चोद like back and forth at each other.
Take it, curry boy.
Yeah.
Take it all in, curry boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He would try the accent. We would try to like, we would go to like this Mexican restaurant we used to go to.
Oh, won't
And-
you fuck me harder?
No, he would talk in an Indian accent, and
What?
I would
Yeah,
talk,
would you,
and I would
please-
talk in a
please-
Mexican
please
accent.
fuck me harder. Yes.
Yeah.
Harder, harder, papi, harder.
I love how you could do any of the accents.
I can do any. I can do any.
Not even the Indian one.
Not even Indian. I don't know how to do it.
The first one sounded like some Vietnamese guy.
Yeah, I did a little Chinese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But पता है मैंने क्या notice किया अभी गाड़ी में? I can't snap
Mm.
because I've hurt my finger right here.
What about the other
now,
hand?
Just for now you can't snap.
Other hand?
Otherwise you could.
Yeah, otherwise I can snap. But you don't want to do like
He keeps going back to the fucking
How
finger.
pointless was this?
Stupid fucking finger.
what?
Who cares?
Card they
No one
mentioned.
cares about your finger, bro.
I hurt it.
Who gives a fuck?
We've established this.
वैसे बड़ा है masculine बन के घूमता है कि मैं गान मार दूंगा. I'll snort you under the table. I'll fucking drink you under the table.
6 बार तो मेरी उंगली.
इतना
मेरी
competitive. मैं
उंगली.
तुझसे ज्यादा
मैं complain नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं बस
जल्दी-
बता रहा हूँ like things have changed.
मैं चुटकी नहीं मार सकता क्योंकि मेरी उंगली में चोट लग.
अब कहेगा मेरी उंगली में चोट लगी तो चूत में उंगली नहीं डाल सकता इस उंगली से. इस उंगली से डाल लूंगा. Yeah, it's
That's a
the
good
whole
one.
fucking.
Bro,
That's a good one.
there is no. I'm not fingering anyone these days. I'm
Okay,
My fingers
that's
stay
what I was
dry.
really looking for.
Yeah.
my fingers are dry as fuck. But
Is that what you hurt it inside someone?
no, no.
अच्छा मैंने ये जोक मारा था तूने अभी मेरे को बताया.
कांटे हाँ.
अच्छा हाँ तूने बताया मेरी उंगली में चोट लग गई है मतलब कि क्या
Yes, we already.
कहीं डाली थी क्या?
हाँ तो मैंने कहा था ना उसकी छूत में काटे थे.
Right on, I totally forgot about this. Stupid
Yeah.
fucking finger because it's a bloody finger. Who cares? Anyway.
Dude, I was listening to a song. I didn't realize I couldn't snap. I didn't try it until I heard this song from Beyonce,
My God.
and she goes, "We snapping," you know. And then I was like,
And you're
but I was
like,
like, I can't.
you're like, we not snapping.
I can't be snapping, girl.
Beyonce Didi, we are sorry.
Queen bee.
It's just it's not.
She goes, "We snapping, we clapping, we drumming." ऐसे कहती हो. उसका song है, या करके.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, dude, this is my life, bro. This is what is happening.
Unfortunate for us.
I went to court.
Right on.
Yeah,
Physically or virtually?
About time.
I had to go physically.
कहाँ पे? चंडीगढ़.
No, 30,000.
Nice.
And वहाँ पे you know that lawyer I was telling about Rajiv.
कुछ खाया पिलाया तेरे को?
So listen, तो राजीव के समय तेरे को बताया था ना कि उसका डायलिसिस हो रहा था तो I hired खुशबू.
हाँ,
And now वो मेरे को ताने में देता है कि खुशबू से करवा लो, खुशबू को बुला लो. तो anyway, so Rajiv is back. So we went.
मतलब कि क्या बंदा भाव खा रहा है? As a नहीं.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
मैं तो भैंचो खुद ही अधमरा है वो.
क्यों?
मतलब उसका डायलिसिस हो रहा है मतलब उसकी जान.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
And then,
Right. Right.
attitude है उसमें थोड़ा का भी. And also he thinks I'm like a kid and shit. But I'm not.
That's a fair analysis.
No.
Go on.
Anyway,
He's a
so
big boy.
we were there and मेरे को
Sorry.
ऐसी फीलिंग हो रही थी कि the fucking other the opposition or what नहीं the prosecutor has like bought him out.
Rajiv.
Your
yes,
lawyer.
Yes. Because कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा था. And another thing, I got really pissed off at Rajiv actually because in fact I shouldn't mention his name.
I can bleep the name out.
Yeah, bleep the name out.
Check
So
कर
anyway-
का timestamp है so we don't look for it later.
I can't see the timestamp.
It's fine, it's fine. Even if you don't, it's not that big a
I'll
deal.
do it.
Anyway, so basically, we were there and वहाँ पे they were asking for his medical or something for the dialysis. And this guy did not have anything to give to them. And I'm like, what the fuck? And then they charged me. Then they put a fine of 5,000 rupees on me. And I'm like, मैं चूतिया हूँ, मैं क्यों दूंगा? To just get your medical and show it to them. Why the fuck would I pay 5,000 fine for you?
Did he miss a date for this?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I mean, he should. Yeah, ये तो
I'm
पता-
so
ये
I
lawyers को
hate
पता होता है.
lawyers. I swear to God, the worst people are lawyers. I hate lawyers. अगर तुम lawyer हो ना तो गांड मराओ. चूती हो तुम. सारे के
Same.
सारे.
Same, yeah, fuck, yeah. Mom,
Yeah.
dad, fuck you, mom and dad.
Sorry. Except for uncle and
everybody.
auntie.
Fuck you, Didi, fuck you, Chachu.
Except for
you
your
fuck
family.
you, all of my dad's friends. Fuck all of you.
Fuck
You-
all
I'll
my
tell
law
you what,
school
I'll tell you
friends.
what. Let me rephrase.
Fuck my brother-in-law, my GG.
Let me
Fuck
rephrase.
you.
Let me rephrase.
Fuck you. Okay.
Lawyers that I can
my
afford.
cousin Aditya, you can take it hard.
Okay, we
You're
get
a
it.
young
Good
man,
joke.
you
Now
get
shut
it.
up. I'm saying I'm talking to
forgetting
lawyers
about
who
it.
I can afford. Only those lawyers. Everybody else are cool. If I can't afford you, you're probably good at your job.
You hate the bottom feeders, of course,
Yes.
because they're
Yeah.
bottom feeders.
Bro,
So obviously the poorest lawyers are the worst.
You need a Saul Goodman, bro.
yeah, dude.
By the way, I've been rewatching Breaking Bad.
Yeah. Oh, really?
I'm really done with the basically season.
Stop
2.
before the last season. At the second half of the last season.
I mean, I think it was wrapped up like pretty
Yeah,
fine,
yeah,
you know?
yeah. Breaking Bad was one of my favorite
Yeah,
shows of
yeah.
all time.
Yeah, still is
Amazing.
for me. Yeah.
I'm watching Mindhunter. Breaking Bad is next on my list.
Have you ever seen Breaking Bad? Bro, I watched it when it
Yeah,
was
2008,
while it was coming
2009,
out. Yeah. It was like a huge thing. Same thing like Game of Thrones. Like I only watched it so that I don't feel left out.
Yeah, to me also, it was the first TV show that I watched that was like a really good narrative experience.
Yeah,
To
and
me, it
in
was
fact,
the first one. Yeah.
that's kind of what it did. Right, kind of changed the landscape.
Yes.
And because it was the first one, because TV always people used to play it safe because TV was broadcast nationally. which
Format
is-
was yeah. You know, it was more like
And-
an episodic.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So
what is it called?
and also TV was broadcast nationally, right? So
Periodic. Yeah. Anyway, go on.
so TV is broadcast nationally, so you have to there's like
Yeah.
certain ratings that you have to adhere to. But once all the streaming and OTT things started blowing
No,
up,
this is AMC. This is before streaming. This is AMC.
yeah, but it wasn't on TV. You know what I
was on
mean?
TV. It was on TV. It was like the same model as HBO. AMC
Right.
का अलग से था.
Acha, okay. So it was
Yeah,
on TV.
it was-
Acha,
yeah.
regardless. But yeah,
Yeah,
people
yeah,
usually
yeah.
didn't take risks until Breaking Bad did.
Yes. Yeah.
Was the point. But yeah.
Too good.
Yeah.
Too fucking
Sahi
good.
show though. Now what are people watching? What is the big show to watch?
House of the Dragon is coming back with season 2.
Yeah.
Attack on Titan.
Attack on Titan, I don't know.
No, it's
People
an anime, you wouldn't
Shogun,
know.
I think people like. Shogun is
Oh right.
supposedly good. I haven't seen it yet.
हाँ मेरे को I don't know what to watch.
मैं अगला हीरा मंडी देखूंगा. मेरे को हीरा मंडी देखना है.
I have to catch up on a few
I've-
films.
It's
But
okay. I've seen it in bits and pieces.
Bits and pieces क्या होता है?
मतलब
Couple episodes, or did you not even pay attention while you were watching them?
no, like a couple times my parents were watching it. I sat in the room, so I've seen like 2 episodes. From not
That I don't count as any valid.
so
I
wait,
did
you
say
just
bits and
you
pieces.
just started watching it in the middle.
yeah, this guy
just
does,
as a no.
What the fuck?
I when I do
Exactly.
watch it. No, when I do watch it, I will watch
Which
it.
is why
with-
by the way, I have to inquire every time. You know,
I just happen to be chilling in the room with my parents. I'm bed गया आधा घंटा, पौना घंटा, you know, sort of thing.
मैं तो
चल रहा है
I would
TV
not sit because I'm like, if there's something I want to watch, I would just in the middle of someone else's screen, I would be like, sorry, I'm out of here.
Yeah, I would probably not like.
Yeah.
I would probably have him
But
replay
you and I
it or
are
something.
professionally more curious in a different regard, you know,
No,
in a
no,
different, in
I
a different
will-
way.
No, it kind of ruins it, na.
Exactly.
Like spoilers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wasn't that fast moving? It was okay.
It's not about
No, it's
But-
fine. It's not a
but
big
yeah,
deal.
It's about what is exposed first. Exposition, you don't want to mess it up. No? There's a reason.
When I watch it, by the time I don't even remember anything out of it. I just remember my impression. So by the time I watch it, it's gonna be fresh to me. It's fine.
Good one.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for giving me your opinion about whether it was good or not, but not even watching it. This
Sorry.
fucking guy. Bro,
You're
the
welcome, bro.
call. I mean, seriously, this is why I have to inquire. Otherwise, you know.
Yeah, I've seen it. I saw 10 minutes of episode
Yeah,
2 and
it's
11 minutes
not
of
so-
episode 3.
I saw
That's
bits and
a
pieces not
chutia.
good. What the fuck? Keep your opinions to yourself, bro.
Now I'm down by crying at the gym.
Fucking piece of shit.
Everything comes out
Relax.
clean. I ain't touching lunch. Fuck it, fuck
Mint
it,
खाएगा?
man.
Pineapple
नहीं.
की blueberry?
नहीं.
Blueberry?
नहीं.
Blueberry, pineapple. Pineapple.
Bro, I got a mouthwash which is like non-alcohol, like all natural type mouthwash I got. And it literally नहीं पता नहीं कौन सा.
Patanjali.
I don't know the company, not a big company.
Calm. Calm Ayurved.
I don't know all these
Anyway, I'm
companies.
just
Anyway, so wait, Kama?
calm.
You called it Calm?
Yeah, because it is
It's
calm.
K-A-M-A.
Yeah, calm day.
Calm. Ayurved.
I've always said Kama, bro.
You're an idiot, na.
That's because it says K-A-M-A,
Yeah,
bro.
you
The
probably
fuck
you
is
probably
it?
say Ramayana
How was
and
Ram
Mahabharata.
spelled? How was Ram spelled? R-A-M-A.
That's what I was, yeah, you probably.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was the same. I thought,
Ma-
अबे यार, I've just seen the board of it. मेरे को क्या पता कि ऐसे हिंदी में थोड़ी लिखा था, इंग्लिश में लिखा था K-A-M-A.
कोई नहीं, तुम्हारे पास दिमाग कम है, तुम पूछ लिया करो. हम
हाँ
बता
तो
देंगे.
काम, हाँ ठीक है. Anyway,
अभी ये हिंदुओं से बैंटर नहीं करता. पूछेगा कैसे?
नहीं बैंटर ही तो करता हूँ, बात नहीं करता.
बेटे.
नहीं, but I'm voting BJP, guys. Don't worry.
Really center में, हाँ.
Nobody's worried now that you're voting.
And then
BJP.
AAP
Yeah.
in Delhi.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And But
That's
yeah,
what most people are doing in Delhi. I think Delhi में आप ही आएगी.
non-alcoholic mouthwash you were saying.
Yeah, non-alcoholic mouthwash, and उससे bro कोई फायदा ही नहीं होता. Like it doesn't get rid of bad breath. Like it just
You didn't get the
does
buzz.
nothing. You need alcohol.
You need the buzz.
I need alcohol, bro. That's the thing. I need some
You need a
liquor
bit
in
of
my
taste.
mouthwash.
I don't even use mouthwash. I just brush my teeth.
I have to drink it.
Mouthwash is a scam. It kills a lot of your good bacteria and shit in your mouth.
No. It gets rid of bad breath.
But I don't have it.
Yeah, so you probably keep it. I mean, the best way to
I
get rid
scrub
of
my
bad
tongue
breath.
and I brush my
Yeah,
teeth.
exactly. So two
Yeah.
ways to get rid of him is scrub your tongue and mouthwash for bad breath. Brushing only cleans your teeth and flossing also. So for bad breath, you need to
I take a
mouthwash.
nice Scotch Brite and I just rub it off. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got a special because I get them and I slice them up nice and small and I've replaced the bristles on a toothbrush with the Scotch Brite and then I just
अभी तो दंत मंजनी वो कर लिया कर ना
Huh?
नीम के पेड़ वाला. They chew on the thing. Have you ever seen someone do that?
I've done it myself in.
Oh, really?
Remember in what's his face, Humpy?
अच्छा, you did वहाँ दंत मंजन किया था?
हाँ.
Oh, cool, sick. I've never done it, but I've
मैंने
seen people.
बचपन में
do
कभी
it.
करा है.
I've never done it. Well, you chew on it, na? You bite on it, kind of.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you like take the bark off first
It
and
rubs
then do
really
it?
hard.
No,
though.
no. The bark is part of it. You just.
It rubs
Okay.
really hard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably a pretty abrasive. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it, but yeah.
You also haven't tried it.
I have a loofah
This
made
is
out of-
worse than at least I watched 10 minutes of the show. You don't recommend it because you haven't even tried it.
No, but I would assume it was quite abrasive. I mean, it is a branch of a tree.
You तो don't assume Mr. Chuchundar versus Chua.
अबे तो वो सही बात थी. छछूंदर कभी देखा है तूने? तूने देखा भी नहीं होगा छछूंदर, bro.
Chatundar.
सामने तो बैठा है.
Chatundar.
मैं? Yeah.
नई species में नहीं है. हाँ.
Chachundra's Husainus.
I'm down back crying at the gym.
What else? What's new? What's popping in media? Media में क्या हो रहा है?
Fall Guy देखनी है मेरे को.
हाँ.
आलिया भट्ट रैंप पे आ रही है उसके
क्या पे आ रही है?
लंदन में एक तो मेट गाला में उसके धूम मचे हैं, फिर लंदन में अभी कुछ शो में शी इज शोइंग अप एवरीवेयर ग्लोबली.
तू ये लड़कियों की चीजें क्या देखता है, मेट गाला वगैरह?
पहले तो मैंने 13 लाइक देखा था उस पे, ठीक है.
अच्छा.
आज वो लंदन वाला
लड़ने वाले
Show-
उस पे.
show
But
है.
which account
तभी-
posted it?
हाँ?
Which account posted it? Was it Rolling Stone or something?
Yeah.
Well, then there you go. But I don't read it. I'm just like, oh,
नहीं नहीं बांट दिया अगर लाइक फ्री में.
pretty girl, nice.
हाँ.
Moving on, yeah,
Great.
yeah.
Sorry for reading the caption.
Good rack, nice. Next,
Tits is
Yeah,
just
tits,
tits and watches and cats.
that's literally it. If
And
you look
rats.
at my explore tab is either dogs or watches or bitches.
Dogs watches with
That's all it is.
bitches.
I'm a very it's a
Bitches or dogs?
it's wholesome. Listen, bro, this is all a man needs. I'm a simple man. You know.
Tits,
Actually, इस
Tots.
time अब तो लड़कियां भी नहीं है,
tits,
bro.
tots, and
थोड़ी बहुत है, but
TikTok.
mostly खड़ियां ही हैं. It's mostly watches.
Tits starts TikTok.
it's mostly watches and dogs and women.
Yeah. So, bro.
Dude, that's why I'm not on Instagram, bro. I would be lost on the just trance में घुस जाऊंगा मैं.
बस
Just
वही-
scrolling forever.
घड़ियां ही घड़ियां.
I mean, there's nothing
लड़कियां
wrong
हैं
with
ही
being into trans people.
Yeah.
घुस जा.
Explore
Dude,
yourself.
मैं तो कहता हूँ इन trans लोगों
Finally,
को
some women showed up.
female sports में डाल दो.
Trans
Some of
women,
them
If
want
you're
trans
a
men
big
को.
burly trans person, go
तो डल तो
dominate
रहे
some female women sports.
What was that guy? Who's that guy? Thomas.
World record, yeah.
Thomas?
The tank engine.
Was it Thomas? No, it was this one swimmer, right?
Yes. And so they
Anyway.
ended up break the world record of
She was
female.
Yeah, so she used to be when she was a man. She used to be 76th or something like that, and then she became a woman, and she's number one.
Dude, there was that whole issue about
And
Serena
swimming.
Williams also, na? Ki, this
Yeah,
Andy
beat by
Murray said
200 ranked male.
he said Serena would be 700th in the men's if she played in the open
Yeah.
division or whatever.
Absolutely.
And Serena was humble enough to say, yeah, they would kick my ass.
Yeah, bro. I mean,
But she's the greatest female tennis
depends
player
on
of all time.
who's got the balls. You know, it really is. It's about the balls.
Wow.
If you
No,
don't
I
have
just feel
balls-
like this whole like they need to compete with the men if
either
they
gotta
were a
have
man.
balls. Either they gotta have balls or don't play sports.
No. That's not even the point I'm making. That's probably true. But the point I'm trying to make is that if
I'm just saying sports should be reserved for men.
yeah.
Anyway, go on.
So
All these sports are played with balls. How many of them do you have vulvas in?
Firstly, thank you. Finally, someone said it.
yeah. But
Tennis
on
ball.
a serious note,
अच्छा,
Cricket ball.
serious note.
Ball.
अब मैं दूसरे पॉडकास्ट में जा रहा हूँ सीरियस नोट के बच्चे.
मैं बात ही करने आया हूँ यार.
हम लोग चोरी करने आए.
हाँ.
Badminton. Cock.
Cock.
Even that.
Yes.
Wait, that's
I mean,
true.
come on.
That's true.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a fucking volleyball pussy? Or I don't know.
Just leave it.
I'm trying.
You've made the joke. It's fine. Just leave it now.
Try this one trick. Try saying it in your head first. See if it works. Then speak.
That never works. Because then the good ones I don't say. Because then I think, yeah, अच्छा नहीं होगा.
Oh my god.
What
Jesus
good
Christ.
ones?
So for the good ones, he's got reservations, but the bad ones just comes out full confidence.
Yeah.
You got to fix it. You got to fix the system inside.
Yeah.
Too late.
तू क्या बोल रहा था कुछ सेरेना विलियम्स के बारे में?
नहीं, forget it. I was just making a sensible point, but who cares?
Yeah, exactly. That's some dumb
Nobody.
shit, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. This is what the people come
Go
here
to
for.
this. Go to beer biceps to make
It's the
sensible
making
points.
sense part.
नहीं, नहीं.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not sensible
This
points.
is not sense and sensibility.
मैंने बहुत टाइम से तुम्हारी शक्ल नहीं देखी ना, तो I was just
It's
like,
impropaganda.
ready to
तुम
talk.
busy जो हो.
Bro, मेरे अब दोस्त.
Actually नहीं जानना.
Yeah. I got a social life, man.
Yeah.
Now, finally.
Finally, people
Took
have
me
let
a
you
fucking
in.
while, but I
Yeah.
made it.
You figured it out, bro. And I gave it a solid 6 months.
Yeah, I'm done already, actually.
That's good.
My social battery has completely run out. I'm
Yes.
done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's best to do it in small spurts.
After this month, I'm done because this week I've already made plans.
Huh.
Is what he'll say next month.
Yeah.
And then next month he'll be like, they're done.
Now they are done. yeah.
They
They've
now
had
know
enough
me
of
as
me.
a person. They are done.
They've had enough of me.
He's enjoying himself. He's actually writing a separate chapter. You know, every 6 months it's a whole new thing. It's a whole. It's a
Team बदल जाता है
Bro,
ना?
with
different
Vidar कह रहा हूँ, Yuvraj, you come play golf with me now because I went with this guy who played nationals, under 18 nationals, and bro, he gave me such amazing pointers. My shot has got a lot more consistent.
So now you think you'll finally be able to beat me?
I don't think I'll play you in a full game, like unless we're like drinking. You know, because I'm more of a take the flask to the course kind of guy. So we'll probably go have like a chill sesh sometime. Otherwise, we'll just go to the driving range. I just want to show you like my shot's pretty good now.
Keep your shots to yourself.
Yeah.
Driving range नहीं, full course.
Full
नहीं
course.
नहीं
bro,
9
कौन-
hole 9 hole.
9 hole, यार मेरे को पता है, it's, you know what I hate at the course? Standing there when somebody's behind me waiting, watching me go so that he can go next, you know? So, dude, I hate it.
Because it's putting under pressure.
Yeah. It's like somebody's, and I like to like थोड़ी बकचोदी करना अच्छा लगता है मेरे को. So I hate when somebody's sitting there waiting. जल्दी करो बहन के लड़ने थप्पड़ मारूंगा.
Like being on a timer at the hookers.
Yeah. You are on a timer with the hookers, bro.
No, it's a short thing, na.
No,
push
you're
ups.
talking about, yeah, in India it is by the cum shot.
No, but even in Amsterdam, I believe this is
Lap
the case.
dances
30 minutes.
Lap dances are time based, bro.
मेरे को तो कुणाल ने ये बोला था. Anyway, whatever. That's what I heard.
Lap
It was a
dances
poor
are
shot.
time based.
Yeah.
In India, and it depends. Everybody is different. Like I don't. First of all, this is all hearsay. I don't know. I'm not experienced.
Yes. A friend told me.
Yeah. So
Yes.
they pay by the cum shot out here, but
Yes.
some of them pay by the hour.
Ooh.
So if you can go do have multiple
Hours.
cum shots
Cum
in an
shots.
hour. You can. I mean, dude, I'm telling you, I don't know. Back when I was a teenager,
Yeah.
I could jack off fucking 3 times to one video.
Right.
You know, like the videos, like
मतलब
Sometime-
एक बारी अच्छे से नहीं करना आता था.
एक बार में उसके बाद I would rewind and then rewind the same video and then go again. What is the most amount of times you've jacked off in a day?
8.
How did you? I
That's
to lost
a
count after a
lot.
point.
No, 4,
After-
5. I would imagine 5.
After a point.
5 के बाद मेरी बैटरी नहीं बचती, bro.
Bro, I also did 8 to 10. I jacked my shit until it was hurting, bro. Like,
Yeah.
I've
After
never
a
done
point,
that.
it hurts, and first though it starts getting like the liquid gets more and more
Why-
translucent.
why
Okay, don't tell
and
me
then
about
it
the
almost
liquid.
doesn't come out almost beyond
Why?
orgasmic,
Crazy.
like
What?
you know.
No, how, and you are, I'm assuming teenagers?
Yes, yes.
When this happened?
Yeah,
I was like
I was
17,
like-
18 at
I was
this
like
time. Yeah.
14, 15. I was quite young.
Interesting. Right. Makes sense.
I mean,
I'm wondering if you...
other than last week, I mean,
Exactly.
What?
I was just bored as
As
well.
adults.
It was just out of boredom.
Yeah.
I wasn't
Right.
even that horny. I got
True,
nothing else,
true.
nothing better to do
Hmm.
than jack my shit, bro.
yeah.
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 Yeah, that was a phase, bro.
Anyway, we just lost all our female viewers.
All 2 of them, yeah? Oh no.
All 2 of them are have left now.
We'll drop back to 98 subscribers.
Some of them
Like
use
these
this as
men talking about men things. These
some of them
men.
come here for the erotica, guys. You don't know this.
What really?
Pun intended.
Yeah, bro, they're into you.
Yes,
You're man.
they're into the sex talk.
Yeah.
They're into
What
oh my God,
sex
this-
talk?
this
I'm
dude-
not
this
having
dude-
any sex.
This dude is jerking off. You're ranking.
That
from
makes
I'm
you-
ranking from home.
home. You're WFH, bro. Yeah, you're ranking from. It's the pandemic. You're ranking from home, and yeah, you're rubbing 11 out.
Dude, I was
You only
having a
gotta
lot
come-
of sex
you're
during the
rubbing-
pandemic.
You only
rubbing
got to
10,
come into
11
work
out.
3 times a week.
Yeah,
I was bawling during the pandemic, bro.
yeah.
I've never been more dry since than
Bawling as in BAWLING because you were crying out of your
because
loneliness.
I was bowling.
Oh, okay,
And
relax.
bowling.
Fast bowler.
शोएब अख्तर मेरा वो था भाई.
Shogabe.
शोएब अख्तर.
Shogabe.
Shoaib Akhtar was the fastest of
Shogabe
all time.
Butler. Huh?
Shoaib Akhtar was the fastest bowler of all
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Shoaib fucked whom? Shoaib fucked her?
He did probably.
Sho-
I think he got into
so-
trouble for it as
so
well.
gay fucked her.
He's so gay, fucked her.
Yeah.
But
So he was so gay, he fucked her instead.
Yeah.
He became because sometimes the gays become very effeminate,
yeah.
and he became a lesbian because he was
Yeah.
still gay.
Right.
So he became very and then he fucked her,
Yeah.
and she was okay. I mean, I guess
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's the way it happened.
Full 180.
Probably that's how it happened.
So gay he was straight.
We're so reasonable with gender and orientation.
Anyway, what are you saying about Akhtar Saab?
Yeah,
He fucked
he
her.
has bowled. I think he has the record for
fastest
the
one.
fastest ball, which is
Almost
100,
100 miles.
163 kilometers an hour. If I'm
Which
not
is like
wrong.
100.
He blowed 100
an hour.
miles at 100 guys.
He blew 100 guys.
100 men per hour.
he blew 100 men.
Damn,
out.
that's close to your record.
Yeah. 100 mph.
100 guys. Yeah, 100 guys. GPH is guys per hour.
But
Yeah, yeah.
so in baseball,
Right.
like a really
Again,
fast,
ball sport. Sorry,
Right.
go on.
a really fast baseball pitch is also around 98, 100, a little over 100 miles per hour.
Right.
And imagine Shoaib Akhtar was bowling in cricket at a very similar speed.
Damn.
Imagine.
Yeah.
ये लोग ऐसे भट्टा मारते हैं मैच and Akhtar
He
तो
was full arming,
full
yeah.
arming 160.
मैं
Which is-
बेसबॉल में तो वो गांडे फाड़ देता.
हाँ bro, baseball तो crazy होता है.
शायद वर्ल्ड कप जीता था.
World Series.
Bro, World Cup.
Who gives a rat's ass?
Bro, how dare you? GBA.
Game Boy Advance.
God bless America.
But वैसे like even in the MLB, like all the best players, all the best baseball players around the world play in it. Like from Japan.
My little bitches.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. So it is like of the world's. It's the biggest league. So all the foreign talent
It's
is
a pretty
also
big
there
league.
only.
Yeah.
Same thing with the NBA. Like people, in fact, there's a lot of Americans who played like D1 basketball or whatever college level who want to go pro. They end up not joining the NBA. They end up joining international leagues because they're not.
The
is the-
Euro, the Euro League and whatever is
yeah,
pretty big. Yeah.
Spanish league.
They
Or,
have
What is the-
Barcelona,
what is
Real Madrid.
Serbian
they
league
all
where like
have
the Luka and all these guys are from
yeah,
Jokic and
Doncic
Luka.
and, all these football teams have very good basketball teams. They play in the Euro League and all
Right,
this
yeah.
in Europe.
I
yeah.
wonder what the N in the NBA stands for. I wonder why they put the N as the first word. You know, because I think
Yeah.
is it
Nothing.
is it the N Basketball Association?
yeah.
Pretty much, if you think about it. It's the N's
Dude, but one of the best players,
basketball
I think most of the best
arrangement.
players now are foreigners.
at N's.
There's this guy called Giannis, Greek guy. He's one of the best
Antetokounmpo.
players. Antetokounmpo. And then
Antetokounmpo.
क्या नाम है उसका जो भी है?
Antetokounmpo.
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 Whatever it is. But and then there's Luka.
Antetokounmpo. पता नहीं क्या बोल रहा
Luka Modric.
Antetokounmpo.
Luka Modric.
है. Yeah.
Giannis Antetokounmpo. I can't say.
Antetokounmpo.
Antetokounmpo.
Anteto.
Giannis Antetokounmpo. I got
Anteto.
it.
Teto.
But shut up, yaar. Who cares?
Teto.
Who cares? Nobody says his last name anyway. It's
You
Giannis.
literally care. You've tried 6 times.
Giannis. I was seeing if I could get it right.
You can't.
Anyway.
It's a lack of education, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, lack of education. I'm the most educated person here.
You're
See where that got
you're
you.
the most qualified. It doesn't mean you're educated. Really,
I'm
you
the
just have
dumbest and the most qualified.
qualified. Yeah.
You also live
got
in
a,
Palam,
You got a
so like-
piece of paper that says, "Oh, he is a bachelor's in da da da."
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
I'm also a bachelor in life in general.
Yeah.
You got a paper saying that you're a bachelor.
Hope you're listening, ladies.
Yeah. He's got his tender papers ready. He's got his Bumble passport.
Rejected.
Entry not allowed. Imagine if you had pussy passports and every bitch you smashed, they had to stamp an approval. You know, like
I'm
an
not
entry.
smashing anybody, bro.
No, I'm asking you to imagine, bro. What the fuck? Imagine if you had a pussy passport. You know, there's a world ahead of us.
Yeah.
But there are pussy passports where you hook up, you gotta get a stamp in.
You hook up, what do you got to do?
Well, I saw
You gotta-
something.
you gotta-
I
you
saw
gotta
something
stamp.
along along similar lines, and so there's this show called Upload, which stars this Stephen Amell or
Right,
Robbie Amell,
yes,
one of them.
yeah.
तो उसमें होता है
The
'cause
more
it's
useless. Could you imagine that there would be a
the
guy
less
more useless than
Amell.
Stephen Amell?
Yeah,
Yes.
his brother.
Yeah, Robbie.
So anyway,
Anyway.
so इसमें they have this because it's all futuristic and shit. They've got this.
Is this
when
a
you
CW show? Because Robbie Amell used to do a lot of CW
Arrow
shit.
and shit he used to do.
Right, yeah.
I don't know what network this is on. This is on
What
Prime.
show? What
Oh,
show?
it's an Amazon original on Prime.
It's an Amazon original.
Yes.
They must
Got
have
upload.
acquired that brand. Anyway, go
No,
on.
it started as an
So
Amazon
it's
original.
futuristic.
Anyway,
right.
so उसमें होता है कि when they meet on like their version of Tinder or whatever, and people are gonna hook up, they have like a consent thing that they record a voice memo. I consent to this. I consent to
Oh
this.
my
this,
god,
that, whatever.
PDD बच
And
जाता
then
भाई
they-
अगर ये
उसमें
exist
ये
करता
होता
तो।
है.
Yeah. नहीं उसकी भी hack निकाल लेंगे अपन लोग. Unless it's on the blockchain, then you're fucked.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
who needs consent?
Imagine a crypto pussy passport. That's nuts. Because firstly, you gotta pay every time you want to get a consent, because it's a token, it's on a chain, right? To
yeah.
process every record, you have to pay something.
Bro,
That's
apparently
insane.
यहाँ पे in India we have to pay tax on crypto.
Of course,
Of course.
it's taxed.
Ha, if
It's-
they're
yeah,
gonna
it's-
regulate it or bring it under the ambit of
It's
allowed.
not. No, it's just classified as financial assets, and you have to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's fucked, no?
It's not fucked, bro. Even in the US, you have to pay taxes now.
Hmm.
Yeah, of course, it was going to follow. It
So
was,
is that going to be the norm?
yeah, it depends. For example, in
Because
India,
wasn't the whole point of blockchain to be like
no, so I'll tell you what it is.
decentralized?
Yes, so in India there's a problem. In India, you don't have on ramps and off ramps from banking institutions onto crypto platforms. ठीक है? You deposit money from your bank into a wallet. That wallet has compatibility with the exchange. You get to invest money on the exchange in any token, whatever the fuck you want. But from the exchange's wallet, now these are Indian exchanges, you can't send the crypto out to another wallet. You can only sell it, you can only withdraw INR. So in India,
Which-
it's only
Acha,
classified
acha,
as a
acha,
financial asset,
Yeah,
not as an
I understand.
alternative
I
form of
understand.
settlement.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can't own those tokens in any private wallet.
Right.
It's only on the exchange's wallet.
Interesting.
That's the fuck up. Which is again, it completely removes the point because crypto
Yeah.
is supposed to be
The whole point of
outside
it.
the
Yeah.
institutional,
Yeah.
over purview, whatever. The fuck.
Yeah, but I feel like people are. I don't know. Do you think it'll change in the future? Like
It'll be different in different jurisdictions.
It depends, yeah.
Yeah, the jurisdiction is India. No? So,
Who
Generally
knows?
speaking.
Who knows? Who knows? Because right now, so they've started demoing the e-rupee. Okay,
otherwise, we'll all just move to the fucking Middle East or something like.
you will base your life around crypto, an alternative asset
No,
class.
but I'm just saying, like,
Bye.
if for people who have invested a lot into it, or like
Sure, yeah.
want to have a decentralized currency, whatever.
Yeah, it's a bit of a pipe dream.
Yeah, I agree.
It's a bit of a pipe dream, but sure, there are still easier ways to actually use the technology, right?
Yeah, I don't know too much about it, but yeah, you're right.
What the fuck's up with Bitcoin, bro? Why are you eating coins? Just spend it as money.
Bro, I got Bitcoin. First time I bought Bitcoin was in 2011.
What about
I wish I could
Titcoin,
go
eh?
back. If I could go back in time, now I would tell myself, brother.
Yeah. How about Titcoin? And every pair of tits you fuck, you get 2 coins.
Bro, I'm not
Yeah,
fucking.
that's
Can we
not-
stop talking about fucking? I don't fuck anything.
Imagining, we're saying, how about?
It's pretty telling that you didn't say anyone.
It's a bit of-
You're literally the point where you're saying anything.
Anything.
Dude,
What
I had a
about
friend who
anything?
fucked a muskmelon or something
All right.
in college.
Enjoy your friends.
In college. I mean, friend, I don't know, but
Too late.
Associate.
he was my brother. No. But yeah, some person I knew.
A friend did it, really.
Anyway, I really don't
He
want
knows a very specific. He didn't just say melon, muskmelon.
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 Muskmelon. Muskmelon.
Muskmelon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really odd. Yeah, so Titcoin. How about, well, Clitcoin is very obvious. Something else.
Shitcoin.
Britcoin. It's an
How is
Englishman.
Shitcoin.
God.
Shitcoin can be the Brits.
पहले हमारे जो coins वापस करो.
हाँ, shitcoin. तुम जितने बार टट्टी करते हो, so people would just, this is a very interesting way to mine coins. Shitcoin.
It's like the bug chasers, whatever. These guys are gonna be like, I want diarrhea all the time.
Yeah.
They're gonna fucking rack up shitcoins, become shitcoin millionaires. Because they're shitting all the time.
Yeah.
That's pretty funny.
Uh-huh.
But it's interesting. But you can't use shitcoin because shitcoin in the crypto community is used to describe coins that are worthless or hyper. Like.
Oh.
So they're called shitcoins.
Oh, shitcoin's the actual term.
Oh,
Yes, shitcoin
so
is actually.
category. That's an actual thing.
Yes, they're called shitcoins.
Oh, damn.
Remember, Doge is a shitcoin, really.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
It's just a.
Doge was such a meme, bro. Like,
It's
what the hell?
still a meme, by the way. It's still up.
Yeah,
Like,
because it was
Rid
just
is still
because
buying.
Elon like mentioned it or something.
Yeah,
That's why it blew up.
but it's all sentiment. Market को sentiment से describe इसलिए करते हैं because लोग ना you can will a fucking thing into existence, right?
Yeah.
If there's someone who's
Clearly.
influential enough in like trading, has like 2 million followers, he can set a fucking buying trend, bro.
Marketing is everything.
Yeah.
Okay, are we done?
We're just about an hour. Yeah, we could wrap it up.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Bye.
Ciao.
Ram bhai, Sarah ne.